gear. Here's the Lotus. We're going home from work and taking a couple tunnel runs. Yeah, it's still pretty cold. We are gonna take the route that's a bit longer just to warm up the car before the highway, where the tunnels are, so we can give it some beans and maybe launch it onto the highway. I'm really sorry if you can't hear me. The car is so extremely loud. Yeah guys, and let me know what type of content you'd like to see. I'm eager to do other content, but I love the POV car driving stuff. Otherwise, in summer there will be less talking because we're gonna ride mountain passes with the bike riders, and yeah, then I'm too focused. I cannot talk when I'm driving really fast. Yeah, today was a really hard day at work, honestly. We have a lot of work, and also hoping this channel may bring in some additional revenue, additional income to maybe afford a third car. Maybe. We'll see. But I'm also fine with not earning any money from this, because that's not the reason why I do it. I just love filming. I did this before the channel, but I just didn't upload anything. I did a couple stories on Instagram and stuff, but yeah, not really seriously. And now I'm pretty hyped, and I want to see how people react to this content. Not a lot of people drive a Lotus like this in a POV setup and kind of a vlogging setup. Right now we're just on a chill drive through the village. It's not a city, it's a village. It's really small. As I said, I live in Switzerland. Everything is really small here. That's why I love my other car, the Tesla, so much, because I don't have any range anxiety. Anywhere I want to go is within the range. Easy, easy. And I'm sorry for the squeaky roof and the sounds that are in the car. They're gonna disappear once the hard top is removed. And I also have a soft top for easy removal. I'm looking forward to the Insta360 Go 3S because it's not a big block on my head like this phone. Okay, the car is not that warm. I'm not gonna redline it, but we're gonna give it some beans fast into the corner. Not full throttle because I kind of ride hard in my car, but I also baby it. I don't want to break anything that isn't correlated with hard, fun driving. And this entry right here wasn't fun enough to redline it when it's not even warm and give it full beans. So yeah, I'm kind of a responsible car person, but also I really like to thrash my cars. I hope the light is gonna be okay in here. The Audi e-tron was also pretty nice. I like them, but value for money, I think they're not that good, honestly. They're way too expensive. I'd rather get a Tesla Model S Plaid for almost half the price. And I'm not really an Audi guy, to be honest. I'm also not even a German car guy. I'm not into German cars that much because everyone drives one here in Switzerland. Everyone. Alright. Car should be warm. Open the window. Hope you can still hear me. Downshift. So nice. Let's slow down a bit. Downshift. Window down and enjoy. So sick. A little 4-cylinder from Toyota can make this sound. It's insane to me. Insane. Oh no, I think we're gonna have some traffic. The pops though. If I feather the throttle, there are some pops and bangs, natural. There's no tune on this car, otherwise there are not really that much pops and bangs, but I also don't like the oversaturated BMW fart shift pop and arse tune. Oh my god, I'm sick and tired of it because everyone here in Switzerland has a freaking BMW or an AMG C63. To me it's just a bit boring as a sports car. Yeah, as a daily driver, yeah, I get it. And I'm not saying they are bad cars. They are absolutely amazing cars, but they're just not for me. It is so much louder with the window down, it's insane. I hope you can hear the pops and bangs. Sounds so good. Next to a wall. Let's put the window up because it's freezing. Oh my god. Minus 2 degrees Celsius is around 25 Fahrenheit, I think. Fahrenheit, as you say. I don't freaking know. And we don't have as many nice cars out right now because it's winter and most people tuck their cars away for winter. But I'm not one of those. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get a pull here because traffic is amazing. Oh, it also sounds good from inside the car. Second gear. work with the gears, because the power is not that much, but if you get the right gear, it feels like so much power. Oh my god, what is happening? I love it. I love it. What was I about to say? Yeah, you really need to work the gears and get in the right gear, because below 4,000 RPM there's not that much power. The car is supercharged from factory, by the way, from factory. The torque is alright. It's plenty enough for legal road speeds. Plenty enough. But for a racetrack, I think you might want to get the Exige, the bigger car, longer wheelbase, more power, V6. Yeah, those are pretty much the tunnels I have on the commute. It's always a lot of fun. The commute is around 20 minutes, so this video will be a bit shorter than 20 minutes, of course, because I'm gonna cut it up. And yeah, I kind of like commuting, to be honest. I like that 15-20 minute drive in the morning and in the evening, just to wake up and have a little drive, have some fun, blast some tunes or something, listen to music, and get in the mood for working. And in the evening I like going home to the sunset, or even after work I will go on a mountain pass like Glaubenberg. It's just on, it's like the longer way home, basically. Glaubenberg is the long way home, and this is the short way home. Around Glaubenberg I have around an hour and 20 minutes, something like that, but it's worth it. It's more than worth it. The ride is so good. It's one of my favorite local passes. It's really close to me. And from at home it takes me about 30 minutes to get there, and all the other passes take around, yeah, at least an hour to get there. But it's also more than worth it. More than worth it. Is that an M2? Looks like an M2. Or some different 240-ish. Honestly, yeah, I really don't know BMWs. I don't really know German cars. I'm not that big of a German car guy. I like... I actually like English cars. I like English cars. For chill ride, I like Rolls-Royce or Bentley. For a sporty drive, I like a Lotus or a McLaren. Yeah, and Italian cars are also to my taste. I like Italian cars. And by saying I don't like German cars, I don't mean they are not good cars. Those cars are amazing, and they really have some good engineering in them, and some great power, great handling. But here in Switzerland, if you drive a BMW or a Mercedes, 99% of people are from East Europe. Like my Lotus, it's charming, it's small. Oh god, yeah, I know you gotta respect all builds, but some things are just so cringe. And the next fun part, it's not a tunnel, but it's a garage tunnel. Yeah, it counts. Every time I drive in here, I have to give it some beans. Sounds so good. Why does a 4-cylinder sound like that? I'm sorry if I tilt my head to the window a lot, but I think the audio is better like that. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like and subscribe. The next goal for subscribers is 100 subscribers. I would really love it if we get 100. We're at, I think, 10. So we can do it, guys. See you in the next one.
Yeah.